In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Google Slides. By the end, you'll have a public, read-only version of your presentation that anyone can view through a link or embed on a website without needing to sign in. This is different from sharing the file for collaboration. Publishing creates a clean, view-only slideshow meant for broad access. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed into your Google account associated with the presentation. On the home page, look under Recent and click the presentation you want to publish. If you don't see it there, it might be in your drive, but using Recent is the quickest path when it's been edited lately. Give it a moment to load fully and confirm you're in the correct file. Now move to the top left corner and click File. The File menu is where Google stores a lot of export and publishing options, and it's the most reliable place to find what we need, regardless of interface updates or screen size. Within that File menu, click Share. There are a few sharing related tools in Google Slides, including the big blue share button, but for publishing to the web, going through File and then Share is the most direct route to the right setting. Next, click Publish to Web. This opens a panel dedicated to public viewing. Here you'll see two main choices, a link that opens the slideshow in a viewer-friendly page, and an embed code you can paste into a website or blog. You can also adjust optional settings like whether the slideshow starts playing automatically and how quickly slides advance. If you're embedding on a site, these controls help you match the behavior to your audience's needs. If you're sharing a link, leaving defaults is often fine. When you're ready, click Publish. You may see a confirmation prompt, accept it to continue. Google Slides will generate a public link, and if you chose Embed, a snippet of code, copy the link and share it wherever your audience is, or copy the embed code into your site's HTML. Keep in mind that published content is publicly accessible, so avoid including sensitive information. Updates you make to the presentation will typically appear in the published version after a short delay, which is handy if you need to make quick fixes later. That's it. You've published your Google Slides presentation and made it easy for anyone to view. If you ever want to stop publishing, return to the same Publish to the Web area to turn it off. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.